sugar.
Yes, man.
Now it smells like spice.
I want to take
Jamaica Good Life was said. Remember said something smelling real good. Something smelling real good. It's smelling like sugar. Are they all that?
Yeah, fish French fry.
And the pepper and ice with the garlic.
We don't know. Yeah, you was. We don't know.
What I look for?
Some garlic.
Okay.
I like when chicken raw when you know the raw.
That's it, man. They say, yeah, chef.
Like when we eat in the
They say Jamaica Good Life.
Put it in this, man.
I ain't gone.
And you put it in here.
Alright, beat up the whole life.
Whole life, that's right.
A good team, you know. 2 hours a good team, you know. I really need a restaurant for myself, you know. Me tell you, sir. Something smelling real good. Mad money.
Coconut milk in the mixture. Some milk.
Yeah.
And the cornmeal. Yeah.
So I mix up the cornmeal now.
Yeah, man. So refine a little bit, you know.
Same. And then I put that in the pot.
Yeah, with some boiling water already on the stove already, you know.
Okay.
So you don't want it crumble.
Yeah, big man, you have to see me now. You're probably too close, you know.
Yeah.
Eh?
You shut off.
You shut off what this,
Yeah.
You stop recording? And you have to take it down, hit record.
No vanilla there,
Well, you know, check it out now.
I want some vanilla with some cinnamon.
Well, when I'm back on.
You can't do it without it still.
Work it out.
Just work without it. But normally when I make it, I actually do some cinnamon with some vanilla. But as you say, Jamaican Good Life.
See that?
So we can't use anything and improvise. We can work anywhere. If we have it, we don't have it. You know? So we can walk over here, so now. You know, some water supposed to have boiled up by this. Alright, for this process, you have to keep on stirring in one direction. Alright? And the mixture go in and make sure you mix and mix. If you don't mix it, you get thick up. I can't make ton cornmeal. I made no ton cornmeal this morning. Stir it.
So it's material filmmaking of a big one with big strength. So you got to look up big brass.
You got me outside about you, you know. Okay, you got me about secretary. Can't do that sit down.
You know, you have to stir it, as I said before, in one direction. So you don't really get thick up.
So you have to stir it right through till it done cook over.
No man, we're gonna stir it until me feel justified as a chef.
Okay. So how long the price take to cook, Mr. Chef?
Well, actually it depends on how much the quantity. You understand?
So like a small portion like that this morning?
Small portion like this now, around 25 or even less, about 15 minutes or so.
Randy?
Just to calm me, they want to boil a little bit, you know?
Okay.
And to calm me take a little while.
Yeah. So Chef, why not big pot over this?
Some peas, you know?
Oh, I'm seeing a piece pot going on.
I'm going to some peas and some. And throw a piece of garlic in it so you can done fast, you know?
Alright.
Yeah, man.
Cool.
As you can see, it get a little thick.
Yeah, like it's a thickish.
Yeah, man. So, you know,
Like this is called Jamaica Good Life.
Yeah, man, the coconut milk and something in
Well,
it.
you look like a Good Life porridge, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, Jamaica
Are
Good
the
Life.
expert
Man.
this?
So what I know, where porridge do to you? Where can porridge do to you?
I mean, porridge just put something in, man, and clean out, you know, man.
Oh.
Clean out the bowls and something. So if you want a little cleaner, you just mix some porridge and drink.
You mean like?
And drink water and
You mean
flush out
like
the
wash
system.
out your belly?
Yeah, man.
You mean like you live on it and it?
Yeah, man. Clean out your bowls, you know.
I know, man.
Jamaica style. No joke.
Dirty people need clean.
Alright, so we can do
Turn it
down a little, you know, not too low, not too high. So you can just go and cook or boil.
So you take time, simmer down on the one.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so. So then good.
Alright, as me say, if me have a vanilla or something, and I put it in a heat, when you reach a certain stage in cooking, in boiling, and so and then you know get the flavor. But at the end of the day, me still have some nutmeg and some can put in it for flavor same way.
Alright.
I don't know cinnamon leaf. I never seen a piece of cinnamon leaf. I can throw in it and something. But you know, as we say, we are Jamaican.
Jamaican, improvise.
Improvise.
Yeah, improvise. Yeah.
Alright, so we can finish the mixing now. We can see the mixture.
Alright, so.
Each live the good Jamaica Good Life.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, let me see the peas. Good, nice, man. Porridge and bubble.
Just add a little more milk to it and something. I mean, I really want to get too thick so fast. And then cook, you understand?
Yeah.
Dirty people. Hey, how old is my gate open?
I mean, same one.
Well, the back one locking us, but the back one lock everything good enough.
Yeah, man.
Now go up the fence. And jump the fence to beat you while you have tea. Yeah, you're around the back the fence. Now, turn up door. You take that, turn up door.
Yeah, man, it's too slow.
This is how I clean it.
Okay, go on.
But at least I can't people clean it better than you.
Yeah.
Can't clean it. So why you push them out there?
You said it's amount the alright for it?
How am I doing it? I just a pipe over now. No, it's a small portion.
Me too.
Heat with the pipe now. Heat with the pipe now. Heat clear, man. You like your water waste, no man, out.
You change it today? You know, make it here?
Yeah.
You just grate a little bit. If you not grate a little nutmeg in your porridge, you don't make the porridge yet. I'll do a little excess of it, we make it porridge bitter. Alright?
You go look on the porridge.
So you can have a look on it.
Always center your thing then. Push your thing down. Yeah. Center,
see that?
position. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Porridge
all.
looking good, man. Jamaica Good Life. Looking good.
Yeah, man.
And then you can hit the stop button now.
Smell good enough?
Alright. Hit the pass button.
And it start.
Do our thing, you know?
So you can then what you do is that when I deal with you.
Alright, cuz, take care of yourself. Alright,
Just
take
turn
care
it
of
on.
yourself, cuz.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, man.
Nice.
See, nice.
Nice.
Yeah, look there. Yeah, wicked, you know.
Beautiful.
And then when you're ready now, you know,
Yeah,
center set up, you know, boom.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
You see me?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Nick,
Yeah, man.
you're ready. Where do I switch yourself?
Yeah, man. That's the thing set, man.
Where do I switch yourself?
You put it over there, sir?
Yeah.
Alright, so Nick,
Alright.
deal with it when you can,
man.
and then
man.
you just
Yeah,
put
man.
on some and put, just side it on the tip like that.
Yeah, man. No problem. Yeah, you know, so we still go and same way. Some plumbing work same way, you understand? You know, so we have to do everything, you know. You know? Still do some plumbing work and some same time.
Yeah, man. Tell us how the chicken or cook today.
Yeah, man. Chicken is a real cook, you know?
Right.
Beautiful.
Alright, now we are thaw the chicken.
Yeah, man.
Put in our water and make it go on like star.
Yeah, man.
Alright?
That's how you go, man. Yeah, just a look of your kitchen and something else. You have look for lime here, so you have mango. You have some plantain, same way. Avocado. You know, some Reneview, white rum, we not look for that same way. Yeah, so, as you can see, the porridge take it time to boil. You have one next pot here, so I get some oil so you can follow me. I get some oil so I can fry some plantain with the general, same way. always talk about too much oil, so I don't put too much oil in it. Alright, so as you can see, some onion on top. This will really get hot now and salt out. Alright. Stir quite a little bit more, you can see. Real Jamaican style coconut milk in it. See, we normally put the stir it a little bit so it don't really stick to the bottom, you know. So now when we reach thus far now, we have to put in some sweetening in it and make it just go and simmer a little bit.
All I want to use this now, guys. All I want to use this now, last night.
And this one look bigger.
Yeah, sure, yeah, no, so.
How do you stop it?
Press, yeah, the record, yeah.
So as you can see, come on here, sir.
That's what.
As you can see, we reach to perfection now. So I apply some sweetening and something in it right now. I use some condensed sweetened milk. Alright? Yeah, man. In general, say I don't want it too sweet, so I watch the sugar content.
So you come on, too sweet no good, no?
Yeah, man. Nothing too sweet, no good. Alright. At this time, you can't even switch off the fire right now. Thanks to the head chef. Obviously, French.
No, put it in everything. No, same time we're going to.
Alright.
The rest of the one seconds.
Some sugar.
Yeah, just suck the cup. Oh, planting.
As we say, we are chef, so we can improvise. As you can see, we don't want no plate. We use the same way. We use the skin as a plate.
Yeah, so that's the opposite partner, chef, with that name?
It's a planting.
Ah.
Yeah, man.
So right there, Friday plant.
Yeah, man.
See there, see there. People see it as a plant in Jamaica Good Life.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, fried plant with bread and
Yeah, man.
like Sunday morning. That's a Sunday morning breakfast.
Yeah,
Jamaica Good Life, we say.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah. Take your time, chef. Take your time. Take your time. No rush here.
Yeah, man.
Can't hold it. Much is that? Much is that? Much is that? That's a grand breaking.
Kita awal kan? Mengenai video.
See people plant in a high fry.
Yeah.
Yeah. Porridge upon fire, ready to drink.
Yeah.
See that? Yeah. Remember so over here, so. See that one that we say a bubble? Peas in a pot of boiled to make rice and peas.
Yeah, man.
See it? Rice and peas that I want to make. Yeah.
Finish sweetening this. Yeah, man.
Match it up. Okay. Randy. Battery. Battery a flash.
Say nothing but the battery.
Battery a flash. Replacement. Yeah, see that? Them plant like one turn now, chef.
Well, you know what? We don't want to turn them too fast. As you can see, I just because the oil is too hot.
No, boy.
Then go on.
So turn on the stove then, chef?
No, we don't want to turn down. As you can see, the stove is so slow that over
Where
here.
I the man from?
No, but that's asking
Oh,
something.
you know how to do to kindly. Do you think we should turn the stove down? There's a
No,
turn the stove down.
them a chef for the talking, sir.
Oh, them kind
Dirty chef them.
Oh,
Yeah,
They're
yeah,
talking
yeah.
rough.
I see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
Straight up. Straight up.
So when about the battery? Come on, man, replace them, man. Quite a flash out for me.
Yeah, man.
Replace that, man.
That's the people them, you know. See them there? Sunday morning, look on them now. Yeah? Give thanks and blessings to Good Life
man.
crew.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Jamaica Good Life, or so we say.
So we say.
We have to go eat some rum at the beach, you know. I'll get some ice at the bar, you know. So you have to come at the beach with only 10 minutes, 5 minutes for to catch up on the fish. Okay, okay. Golden sugar. Okay.
Put some light in it.
You put sweet milk in it already?
Yeah. We still don't want it too sweet.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So me just chew and taste.
Yeah.
Alright?
Okay.
Thank you. Beautiful.
Beautiful. You see how I make the porridge?
Yeah, man.
Nice and creamy.
That's
So when you make porridge, no bump, no night, no.
No, man.
I mean, no people can.
Yeah, because they know
You're
really.
right, but when I know. So when they treat in that pot, they just break down and stir it.
Yeah.
You have to stir it, smooth out everything and get it blending together. Once you do that, you have lost a lump in it.
Yeah.
I'll show you now make that on cornmeal this morning.
We're going to eat some bread and butter with the porridge too.
Yes, man.
Avocado always depend deck, you know. Here, always depend deck in the Good Life. And it says to me now with the pipe, always depend deck. You see me?
Straight up.
Where the cat there? Jelly, coconut from Good Life, always depend deck. You see? See the big car there? See it there? I'll get some strut feet. A Good Life car that. Tell them tell them about the wealth, you know, because you know people say Benz and all them things them are well, but when I say a Good Life,
No, man, alright.
tell
Give
them
us something.
talk to them
Give
about
us something. You see the camera?
Yeah,
Camera, all that car for Benz.
yeah,
Camera was luxury car.
yeah,
Yeah?
Yeah.
Back in the days, man, you couldn't buy a camera. Where you get money from?
yeah.
I'm about to show enough people come in the world now and sitting. Camera, but camera top of line car.
Yeah.
Yeah, but when my boss tell me so I can't mash up like I can't done that.
Yeah.
My boss is 70 a day old. So I can't done that.
So we can run it all the way to Manchester.
Once everything for the car up and running, let's not ensure we were anywhere in if we can't drive on the water, we can America too. How I don't know? No, stop.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, that the car doesn't come on the road, man.
A 170 on the tour with the pan what they.
I want 70 on that pan.
70.
Tell him
On the tour.
Fly around the fastest car there.
One of the day I put up a Kingston go deal with the thing and say, it look like someone to
Remember embassy. And me carry him.
Are you?
We have an appointment fee for 9 and we reach actually
We reach almost an hour of spare. And him see him there.
Sit up in
I'm
there.
son on the tour with that bus up.
I'm press it.
Betsy bus up.
Yeah, man.
170 Nixon, no man.
Yeah, man.
Can't believe. You
Yeah,
up
man.
there.
Yeah, man.
The chase looks around there, dangerous.
Yeah, man.
A trace engine in that car, man.
Yeah, man.
A what like?
Trace engine in that car there.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, dangerous,
Tell me
man.
about the trace engine.
Trace engine. Most of the vehicles them nowadays. Some bus with them have been some Vaxi bus and some trace engine in them.
Yeah.
Some of them are do racing, modify the trace engine and put in a racing car. So much the speed that the engine have. Dangerous, man.
Yeah,
Let me take a break.
Yeah, man.
You say you go
Body work
and
and
put some
spray.
wicked tires on it.
No tires them good with the pan them, man. I don't big at
Make we go check it out.
For the car?
Yeah, make we go look on the Batmobile.
Come on.
You need it right now?
No, we don't. No.
See the porridge there, man?
Yeah, man.
The super chef.
Can't keep us together.
Lord of mercy, Lord of mercy, Lord of mercy. Look on the plant and then man drink some Cersei.
Yeah.
Man are thirsty. Cause you know some come first from Jamaica and I make glory. Almighty. Send me for creation. Lord of mercy. You know what I say? I say I love the good life and the good house and the good people. No, we have to go find the good girl them. Yeah, man, we have the good key. Everything good in Jamaica, you know. Lord of mercy.
When you say we're going to start poking.
We're going to say Pokey?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, we'll go check up our house, right?
Yeah, man.
I'll go check her, man. Another good yard. Hold the key. Small one, hold it.
Where's the key, man? I'm going to cut me now.
So that means what table over there stuff that's what we're going to use?
We don't know, man.
Where we get chair? Where we get some chair? Where we get chair?
We don't know. Somehow.
I'm going to figure it out. You say you know the key.
You want me to kill it, me like long time, man. Yeah, man, see.
See.
Sit there.
So the good life. Batmobile, yeah.
Sit there. Them 14 tire, they're good tire them.
Open up the engine, pop the engine for me. More see what you deal with. How old it is?
30-year-old.
30-year-old?
30-year-old. 88 mother. 30-year-old carry all upon.
Oh. Just say I know. A good life, so we live. Where we there right now? We're there.
Whitehall Estate.
Whitehall Estate.
Yeah, man. See engine room there.
Good life, car. See
Serious engine this one. I want to put them on.
Yeah, see
Dangerous
me.
engine man.
You want them set up.
No, this is why I took my window wire now. Window wire now work. So that work my window.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Wanna switch it over? Wanna jump it?
Until we get the thing free. I'm a hunt one enough. Until we get that free.
You jump it? So this group, how much are your kids them?
You know, it's 4 years since I bought a car.
4 years since? What do you have before this one?
No, none before. I first week my one.
Yeah? So, okay.
I see back when you have youth and raise, you can't think about this.
True.
I think about youth and school. I 4 of them, you know.
4 years?
4 for me and 1 for my wife, make 5.
Bless it to me.
Yeah, so I think about youth and school.
But go get to meet them at some point.
Yeah, man, you not meet all of them.
Yeah.
You not meet all of them. All of them are done.
Okay.
I got 2 who live with me.
Yeah.
Next to them. And I big people them.
Yeah.
None of them are young.
So why them call you trusty?
Well, you give me the name of trusty.
You say I know what about this, but how much the boat cost?
Less than 2,000.
I forget one of this, you know. Them sell from there, sir?
No, you're not there, sir.
What?
So the hardware.
But the hardware run here, sir, no?
Hardware from the main.
For the main, I say about, yes, sir.
And again, at 12 this, you know.
What may I say?
Get at 12.
I might 12 that.
Yeah.
You might have to give up the shows. It's nice, you know.
They're comfortable, you know.
So wait there. But them sell upon the main.
Yeah, man, the hardware.
I love it, man. I didn't know what about them.
Yeah.
They don't deal with all what about them more.
You've noticed almost every workout now is a one in that one.
Yeah. It have a metal tip?
No.
Okay.
Yeah, them the metal tip too.
Yeah.
That's why the metal tip. It's a soft, man. See that?
So, but it comfort.
Yeah, man, it comfort, man.
It's like them pad inside it.
No pad in there, no?
No pad in there?
No.
You know hot when it's so hot?
No, you stand up on it apart.
Okay.
That's what I do when I saw that.
Okay.
Night time I work, so I what about?
So we go bush, you can't.
Aren't you?
Nice.
Aren't you?
See the dirty boy there, O'Neill. What go on? You disappear for away now. What go on with you?
You don't see a dirty dog. You don't see a crab.
You just disappear for away.
From wedding at the movie, I help and we'll see you one night yet. Eh? We're from Friday night. We're the Friday night. Eh? You know what? No, 2 years girl over there no come here and talk for the stink like kind of dog.
I know, only a woman control him now. A woman control him now.
3 years woman over there for you come here and
can't
talk
left the
Friday.
house, you know. Him can't left the house.
They get beaten.
He get beaten.
Can't go and talk Spanish, man.
Nice, man.
Yeah, man.
It's nice, man. I don't know.
Did I go work today?
Yeah, I think I
Oh,
Tire them look good.
yeah, man.
Yeah, man, I eat this, you know. You have to live and enjoy your life. The sound system, Abba.
Yeah,
You
man.
have to get a new.
We just want some speaker in the back.
Don't worry, a good life. I go get good.
You
love it, man. Toyota
When
Camry.
you come back here next year, Mr. Man, gospel my life, man. It all shine and your body work.
Yeah.
You see my brother done body work, you buy the spray material and I go spray the car. Yeah, make it look like a car again.
This is Jamaica. This is the good life, we say.
I'm at a factory. My brother now work today. You know, I am so. When I done breakfast, I'm going to link, give me 1 link and I'm going to link 4K. Yeah, we make something today. I link that, it's a welding him now.
Yeah.
So I link him today.
Give thanks. Give thanks.
So come in, my parents so almost ready.
Oh, it's some porridge
I'm
now.
going to take off them when I'm done.
Some bread.
Yeah.
Back in the good yard, I saw the historical film start with change Jamaica for the better. Every man knows in a New York City, I have to wear my sweater. Down here, in Jamaica, hot and nice. Girl, them look spicy and sweet. I know, so when you play the reggae music, you have to rock to the beat. You know what I mean? Say, you come on in at the nice house and thing. Turn off the music, my king. Come here, come through. See what you're doing. Yeah, man. See the plants in them there. What going, you know, monitor the plant now, they're not brown. Because from me day I had to, but you don't want black food, you know. And them plant they look like so them come from Africa, from West Africa.
I promote Africa, you know.
Because I know you plant them black, and you know why your banana black, you know why your chicken black.
You make it black,
but
now, man.
planting are my favorite thing, and you make the planting black.
I'm here chef in a man with shoes.
Hey, you know about
I don't even confess all now.
See?
Say me come out.
Allah, win it.
so you know say.
Don't put that back camera.
Alright, good. You know the planting. So I'm gonna make the sauce up.
Yeah, man, I do to them, man.
That's the real good life, you know.
I thought you were done, man.
So let me ask you something.
Right here, one eye.
Yeah.
First down.
We never get the egg. We never get the egg for the chicken.
Not at least, we can't get later, man.
Yeah.
But that chicken over there, I don't know tough. We're never going to serve. We get out good, man. We're going to serve and come back. That's every time.
We're up on the road.
We're not driving now. We're still right. That's all right, one. That's all. Walk over.
I can't get egg
Come
kind
here,
of store.
yeah, man. Yeah, so what's up?
Yeah, man.
You like with milk? I like it straight.
Straight is best for everything in the
Straight.
life.
I never use it straight, yeah?
Lemon, yeah. And some nutmeg. The whole...
I need some of them on the neck. But not blend, you know. And the blend that, you know. Oi. And the blend that.
What's somebody make you mad?
Nick tired, you know.
Listen, Mr. And the blend that, you know.
Nick tired.
Like take off the skin off it and squeeze it out in the water.
Yeah, man.
Nick tired, man.
Take out the seed and...
I go cook for you,
No,
man.
that's
And
what I squeeze it
I
out.
remember my soup.
Oh,
you
can't
know.
eat it, you know.
But you have on the pot.
That's one.
So
You put it in the pot. You put it in the pot.
I make some sourcey tea. What the tea bag them there?
We don't want tea, man.
Yeah, man.
Jamaica porridge.
One tea,
I'm
man.
sourcey tea, you know.
Tea with the
Because
porridge.
my blood a clot right there, so the elbow.
We don't want tea.
Sourcey tea. I have to drink
We
every
want
day.
porridge and bread.
Porridge bread and butter today.
plan.
Good life. Alright, until...
Why you like how we still when you make tea? Why you like how we still when you make tea?
I'm tired, man.
I'm tired, bro. I've eaten every don't go out today, you know.
Alright, man.
Listen,
Eating everything go out today.
You look in the soldier there, this one for you want to do everything. Not to be said. Look what is right there right now.
are you... I went there... I will answer, man. The money... How much you pay for the top there, sir? I'm going to look for the 500 you give me a city. I think I put down another shots. If I make it so I can buy the egg.
Yeah, man.
Me no le press. Me no le press. Te le echo tocando. Te le press.